Hello everyone, chilaquiles are savory with a slight crunch, soaked in flavorful sauce. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Okay, here I have some tortillas and then I'm just going to cut them into quarters. Okay, here in my large pot, I'm going to add in some oil. And then I'm going to turn on the heat to about medium-high. Okay, when it's nice and hot, I'm going to add in the tortillas. And I'm going to cook them for about a couple minutes. Okay, and then after a couple minutes, I'm just going to remove them. And place it onto a paper plate lined with some paper towel to drain the excess oil. And then I'm just going to continue with the rest of my tortillas. Okay, here in a pot, I'm going to add in the tomatoes and also a piece of onion, and then I'm also going to add in the chilies. And I do have all the ingredients and measurements in the description box down below, so go and check that out. And then I'm also going to add in some water, and then I'm just going to fill it just to cover the veggies. Okay, and then I'm just going to turn it on to high, and then I'm going to cook this just until the tomato starts to peel, so anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, once the tomato starts to peel, I'm just going to turn off the stove, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat and then let it stand for about 10 minutes before using it. Okay, here in my small blender, I'm going to add in the tomatoes. And if you wish, you could go ahead and remove the skin from the tomatoes, but I'm just going to leave mine on. Okay, that should be good. And then I'm going to add in the garlic. And then I'm going to add in the chicken bouillon and dry oregano, along with the veggie broth. Okay, and then I'm just going to close it up. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend this up until it's nice and smooth. Okay. And then you can go ahead and adjust to your taste. Okay, in a large skillet over low heat, I'm going to add in the sauce. And then I'm just going to cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes. And then make sure you stir often, keeping your eye on the sauce. Okay, and then after a good couple minutes, I'm just gonna give it one last stir. And then just kind of scrape down the sides. Okay, and then I'm going to add in the tortilla. Okay, and then I'm just going to give them all a good mix, combine. Just gonna get the tortilla nice and coated with the sauce. Okay, and then after a minute, I'm just going to turn off the heat.